c'est Soso Kitchen. Et dis tout pour merci en pile. Pour YouTube vidéo, tout le monde qui subscribe, ça a réellement fait un plaisir. Et de partager, continuer à partager pour moi et de subscribe. Ok? Moi, je vais en pile comment pour Cremas Grenadia. So, je vais acheter Grenadia vini. So, pour là, mais Grenadia, c'est ça qui est Grenadia. Grenadia, c'est ça nous relève fruit passion. C'est ça avec le fait juillet.
Passionfruit.
Passionfruit. So, ça avec le fait juillet. So, ça, c'est les mêmes. Ok? Nous capables d'order dans Amazon. So, quand là, moi-même, ça me fait pour nous. So, gain frozen tout. Ça, c'est frozen pat là. Ça, c'est Passionfruit là, qui frozen. Nous capables de venir dans Spanish store. Ok? Si nous venons, nous capables d'acheter tout. Mais moi-même, je vais real free là, m'acheter le plutôt. Ok? M'laver, m'gal couper pour me passer dans passoire.
Hi guys, welcome back. We have missed you. So today we are going to make passion fruit cremas. Cremas is usually made with coconut. So today we are going to make it with passion fruit. She's using real passion fruits, but if you don't have access to passion fruit, you can definitely get the concentrated one. She found hers at the Spanish supermarket, and that's what we showed earlier. We're going to use some real passion fruit, and we're also going to use some of the concentrate.
Pour nous capables de prendre jus dans Grenadia, ça n'a fait, ce soit nous vider alcool là, ou un Barbancourt ou bien n'importe alcool dont nous gagnons, ou bien on mette sucre. Avec ça, et les sorties plus vite. Ok?
So what she said is to get more of the liquid out of your passion fruit, what you should do is either put sugar, or you would put some of your liquid, which is like your rum or your vodka, whichever one you decide to use in Cremas, and that would help you get the liquid more out of your passion fruit. And once again, we mentioned this in our other Cremas video, but Cremas does not take water, so under no circumstance do you want to put water.
Et ici en pile, so même si vous mettez un tas de sucre, vous allez goûter pour moi si il y a sucre.
So passion fruit is a sour fruit, and since Cremas is a more sweeter drink, it's okay to put sugar in it because you do want to sweeten it and not make sure it has that sour like taste when people are drinking the Cremas. So straining the passion fruit does take some time and some arm strength, so be patient with this. She did pour some more sugar just to make sure that she's getting all the full potential of the passion fruit from there, and you can see it did produce a lot more juice. And if you have juicier passion fruit, you might be able to skip the concentrate step. So right now she's just whisking the mixture to make sure that there's no, like, all the sugar has dissolved, and then I'm just showing you what one zest of lime looks like. So she just poured her mixture into the bowl that she's going to mix everything in to make the cremas. Before, what she was using was just to help with the straining process.
Listen, chaque boîte condensée ça yo gain 22 grammes sucre. Ouais, ou paquet de sucre là-dedans. So, c'est peut-être ça dans la première vidéo à Cremas là, m'pas mettre sucre parce que tu as un pile de sucre. 22 grammes de sucre. Qui signifie un pile de sucre. OK? Je vais toujours goûter pour moi comment il est.
So she is stating that each can of sweetened condensed milk has 22 grams of sugar, which is why she doesn't add sugar. People in our last Cremas video stated that we needed sugar, but this is already a sweet milk, so it's very sweet, especially if we're adding 3 cans. In the title, I put 2 to 3 cans because it's based on your preference. We wanted it thicker, so we ended up adding 3 cans. But since we added 3 cans, we needed to use 1/4 cup of the concentrate. So if you don't add that many cans, you might not need to use a concentrate if you're using the fresh fruit, or you would just need more passion fruits than we had. So this is the second can she is pouring in. You guys saw the first. We're going to put in 3 altogether, so don't think this is number 4. This is actually number 2.
Donc, un scraper à la mer, ça, ou retirer toutes les canettes là-dedans. Ou pas perdre même pour quitter pour fichier. Mettez 2 boîtelettes, 22 grammes, 22 grammes sucre. Ouais, ça fait combien de grammes de sucre il y a? Mettez une cuillère Zest citron vert. Je vais boire c'est toujours. Peut-être un petit genre de l'eau, on est capable de vider dans l'autre boîte encore.
So it wasn't as thick as she wanted, so that's why she ended up adding the third sweetened condensed milk. But for now, she's just going to take some nutmeg and she's going to grate some into the mixture.
Je vais grager le muscade là. On tête muscade, il est égal à une petite cuillère muscade. Si donc vous mettez muscade en poudre là, tout capable de mettre, moi je préfère ça et ça fait m'acheter.
So she just said if you want to use ground nutmeg, you definitely can. She just prefers the actual nutmeg instead of ground, but it's whatever you prefer.
Okay, on l'autre boîte encore.
So this is where you finally see her add in the third can of sweetened condensed milk. So we added 3 cans, so altogether that's 66 grams of sugar, which is why we don't add extra sugar. But once again, if you want to, you definitely can.
Je mettez un barbancourt, sac blanc. Si vous mettez un peu d'alcool, vous êtes capable de mettre plus que 2 tasses. Si vous n'avez pas un peu d'alcool, vous êtes capable de mettre 2 tasses. Ok?
It honestly depends on how much alcohol you like. So I would start with a cup of rum or vodka, preferably rum. And then from there, if you want more, you can definitely put more, but start with 1 cup. So we tasted it, everything tasted good, but we realized it just doesn't have that much passion fruit. We did make a big batch. So we used some of the concentrate. We added another 1/4 cup of the concentrate to give it that more of the passion fruit taste that we were looking for. Now, wait, you have to show the people. So once we added that 1/4 concentrate, it just made the world of difference, and we finally was like, this is what we were looking for. So once we got the result, she used that same strainer to then pass the cremas through, and this just makes sure it's not lumpy. And if you have a cheesecloth, you can do that with the cheesecloth, but since we don't, we're using a strainer. We do this twice just to make sure it's all liquid, and then from there we transfer it to a bottle.
Ouais, Cremas là, il pas de l'eau, il est épais. Si je mette jus citron a fait trop dur. Parce que les rétés, il va trop dur. Et pour ça, on met du citron. Pas mettre du citron pour rien. Hein? Il est épais. Il est bien épais. Très bon. Et tout le monde qui t'a demandé Cremas Grenadia, mais Cremas Grenadia. Ok? Thanks very much. À la prochaine. Pas oublier subscribe, partager. Love you guys. Thank you very much.